Hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Are you new to Zoho Mail? Follow this beginner-friendly guide as we walk you throughout the setup process of getting your Zoho Mail accounts up and running in no time. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So first of all, head up to zoho.com. After you open it, you will be able to find this page right in front of you. So now what you will need to do is pretty easy. Go ahead and open your account. And here, as you can see, you will find your account. And from here, you will ask you for verification, etc. So in case you had like the button right here, let me just show you. Verify using Gmail. There we go. Click right here, and here I am. So now the account has been connected successfully. As you can see now, you could go literally just right here, click on these buttons, and this will open. Now, next thing is to go to email and collaboration and basically go to mail. This will open the Zoho Mail. So we are now on the Zoho Mail. Now, Zoho Mail is literally an inbox of like just like Outlook, like Gmail, Yahoo, etc. So when you go here, you are literally just expecting to send mails, to receive mails, and basically do all the things that you usually do within your current email. Let me show you. So first of all, the email that you have in Zoho Mail is different. They give you a custom email, which is basically username at zoho.com. If I went right here, as you can see in my profile, this is my email, which is this one. But if I went to the settings and after that I opened the mail accounts, as you can see right here, you'll find that my account is actually this one, lollylop at zoomail.com. So this is the Zoho Mail that I'm using. So if I wanted to send a new email, this is the email that I will be using. This is lollylop at zoomail.com. This is a signature that we've made in a previous video, so doesn't really matter. But in general, these are the things that you need to understand. So you are literally just sending emails using the Zoho Mail. So yeah, it's literally just another email. Here on the left, as you can see, let me just close all of these tabs. Discard draft. Alright. Here, as you can see, we have this menu or the sidebar menu. The sidebar menu has the normal things that you usually have within an email with extra stuff. First of all, you have the home. You have also all and read. So you find here all and read messages. Inbox, where you can find all the emails that has been sent to you. The draft mails that you didn't send. Templates, you could create templates in here. We'll go through that again in this video. Snoozed one. So as you can see here, sent, spam, trash, outbox, newsletter, notifications, unread, all messages, flagged, and all archived. On the other side, if you went to the left more, you will find that this menu is divided on 6 options. The first one that we went through is the mail. The second one is basically the calendar. So as you can see here, so the calendar has events and basically it is right in front of you, as you can see. So you can create here new events, and basically when you open calendar, it will open basically this calendar here, and we can call it an alternative for Outlook calendar and basically Google Calendar. So Zoho has a calendar itself, so you can imagine so you can like manage your events, manage the upcoming things that's coming in in upcoming days or weeks or month. So you can verify everything in here. You can create new events simply by dragging your mouse around and simply fulfilling it with the information needed for the event, with an event title, basically location, members, date, and basically a couple of other options. Now also we have tasks. So here you can literally create tasks and basically assign them to people. Let me just load this page for us, and as you can see here, this is very cool. activities, tasks. So you can have to-do list. You can add status, for example, ongoing, done, error, or progress, not yet, stuff like that. You can even like add other status such as the priority status. So you can add, for example, a high priority, low priority, normal priority, and not in the priority. And also there is notes. Notes are basically, as you know, notes. You simply have to leave notes here. They could help you to remember things, to know things, so you can remember all certain things that you'll need to do in the future, or basically you need to remember for daily usage. Also here, you will find contact. Here, you will simply have all the contact that you will need to contact with, so you can save them all in one place, so you don't need to actually search for them in another app. You can simply just import them from a specific app that you have contacts with, or simply just create them one by one. Right through here, click on add. You simply need their name, last name, email address, and their phone number. After that, it comes the bookmarks, which is basically the things that you simply like add a star, or basically like bookmark them so you never forget about them, or basically to save them for future usages. Also, guys, there is the download plugin here. As you can see, this is like an extension that is Zoho Mail Bookmarks. So it allows you to bookmark elsewhere just by using the extension. Now also you need to understand that this extension may soon no longer be supported because it doesn't follow best practices for Chrome extensions. So yeah, care about that. Maybe there is a bug in it, or maybe it has been mal affected by a malware or something like that. So yeah, make sure to actually read it and basically have an idea about it and know what the issues about it. Here are some pictures that explain it, and make sure to read the comments and the reviews basically to check if it is good or not. And yeah, this is something that's it's really interesting when it comes to the extensions, as having extensions is very cool. Also here on the right you will find some couple of other options which could be very useful, such as the settings, the attachment viewer, calendar, toggle widget, Zoho desk, Zoho CRM. They are just shortcuts that could help you for your users. Here there is reminders, so you can turn on a reminder and basically it will notify you. Here notifications, here mail assistant, and basically here you can add a sticky note, and here you can turn on the night mode for easy basically colors for the eyes. And that's pretty much it, guys, for today's video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. So this was it for today's video. See you guys in the next tutorial.